Hello children, today we'll learn converse of BPT theorem, that is converse of Thales theorem. What is first, we'll see what is the statement of BPT theorem first. What is BPT theorem statement says is, if a line drawn parallel to the any one side of the triangle, then this line divides the other two sides in equal ratio. It means AD by DB equals to AE by AC. Now what does converse of Thales theorem says is, if a line divides any two sides, in equal ratio, that is AD by DB equals to AE by EC, then this line is parallel to BC. It means if DE is dividing AB and AC in equal ratio, then DE is parallel to BC. That is converse of Thales theorem, right? Now today we'll see the proof of it. So what is given, I'll write first. Given. What is given to us is AD by BD equals to AE by EC. This is given to us. Now what we have to prove is DE is parallel to BC. Now I'll do some construction. I'll mark a point M on AC. So I done some construction. What is my construction is DM is parallel to BC. Now what I have to prove? To prove DE is parallel to BC. This is what I have to prove. Now see here, I am assuming that DM is parallel to BC. Now it is not, DE is not parallel to BC. I am assuming DM is parallel to BC. Okay. So what is our given is already there. Given in statement, that is AD by BD equals to AE by EC. Now I assumed that, so construction, we done our construction. DM as DM is parallel to BC. What it becomes then, if DM is parallel to BC by Thales theorem statement, AD by BD. Now as DM is parallel to BC, if DM is parallel to BC by Thales theorem statement, AD by BD equals to AM by MC. AM by MC. This I will take as equation 2. See equation 1 and equation 2. RHS are equal. If RHS are equal, LHS is also equal. You can write from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, AE by EC equals to AM by MC. AE by EC equals to AM by MC, because RHS are equal. Now I will add 1 on both sides. That is AE by EC plus 1, AM by MC plus 1. Let's do LCM. AE plus EC by EC plus to AM by MC by MC. See here, AE plus EC becomes what? AC. It is AC by EC. Now AM plus MC also AC. See here, AM plus MC is AC divided by these two gets cancelled. Now what we got is EC equals to MC. See here, we got EC equals to MC. EC equals to MC. When this will happen? When M and E coincides. When M and E coincides. If M coincides E, what happens? Then AC by EC equals to AC by MC AC, both numerators gets cancelled. Now what we got? EC equals to MC. Now we got EC equals to MC. When EC becomes MC, EC equals to MC. When this will happen? When M coincides with E. When M coincides with E. If M coincides with E, what happens? That is, now already DM is parallel to BC, we already constructed. Now M coincides with E. That means DE is parallel to BC. This is how we prove converse of Thales theorem. Thank you.